So I got my little hopper gun here, getting ready to put texture on this wall. So I'm sweeping up the floors and everything, just trying to get everything cleaned up. Got my little tools here, got Ryobi going on. It's hard to get away from one brand once you start buying all the batteries, because you don't want to be having like several different brands that have different batteries. It just becomes a headache. So once you start with one, man, it's almost like you can't get away unless you're ready to spend a lot of money to change over. But anyway, all these Ryobis, they're doing the job for me, so I don't see a reason to switch if they weren't working. That would be a different story, but I was showing you guys, I want to show you guys this right here. This is the thermostat for my heated floors. See that 85 degrees, it's not 85 degrees per se, the temperature in the bathroom. So if you guys are in the middle of a project involving tile or anything like that, then I would suggest that you would go ahead and put this heated floors up under it. It does not add that much money, but it will add a whole lot of value to your project and comfort. But that's the temperature of the floors that I'm standing on in the bathroom, which is amazing. So go ahead and look on Amazon. I got this off of Amazon. Go ahead and grab yourself some heated floors and put in your project for your remodel. You will be glad that you did. I know I am.